Hey everyone, today I wanted to talk about my experience and review using gel nail strips. I wanted to just show you guys a little bit of a demo and just show you how they look on the nails when they're on them. So if you are someone that likes affordable, easy, fast, and convenient, you're gonna love gel nail strips. If you're a mom and you don't have time to sit and do nail art for, an hour or however long it takes, or a manicure right now just is not in the budget, these are a great alternative to try. They're extremely affordable and they are made of 100% UV coated gel nail polish, which is awesome. They're not vinyl or plastic. And so basically they're stickers for your nails, but they're made of gel nail polish. And in order to use them, you want to put them in between your hands to warm them up and make them pliable. And then you want to sort of judge what nail sticker will fit your particular nail. And then you want to go ahead and it's very straightforward. You just stick them on your nail and you want to make sure you don't stick to your cuticle or to your skin because then they'll peel off. So take care to either push your cuticles back or just make sure that you avoid sticking them to your cuticles. And then you want to press quite firmly to secure the sticker to your nail. And then it's really easy. You just clip the excess and then file. I would recommend filing in a downward motion so that you don't wreck the placement of the sticker. So file in a downward motion in order to remove the remaining excess of the sticker. And it's really that straightforward for putting on these gel nail strips. Personally, for my particular lifestyle, I absolutely love them. I don't have time to do my nails. I just don't. And if you're a busy person, but you still want to look presentable and polished, maybe you're going to an event, these are an awesome alternative to definitely look into. You're not going to be out of pocket for even just trying them. The company that I got them from has 42 different designs, so lots of variety. They're going to suit all kinds of tastes for your particular taste in nail art. If you like classic or you like funky or sparkly, whatever you're looking for, they have. I would definitely check out the patterns. And the finished result, once you try them, it looks like a professional manicure in my opinion. I definitely could not achieve this look myself from nail polish just because I'm kind of aesthetically challenged. I'm not very experienced with nail art, so these stickers really just are a godsend for me. Right now, these stickers are on sale for just $7.50 for a set. And if you use my discount code DANICA10, you can knock that to, I think, $6.75. So literally $6.75 US for what looks to be a professional manicure. So that is my overall experience and review for these new products that Color CL is offering you guys. Also, just so you guys know, Color CL offers an amazing face mask as well. Just side note, I always mention this face mask. It's extremely moisturizing, and when you wake up, your skin is just baby fresh. So they also have a face mask in case you guys didn't know. Let me know what you guys think of these gel nail stickers, and if you've tried them, I'd love to know your experience. And I will see you all in the next review. Bye.